Today, we're going to create a sleek bun hairstyle. Let's make our crowning glory prettier. Ready?
Get your hair done, get your hair done. Everyday na lang pinoproblema. Hair mo di marunong makisama. Minsan busy, magulo. Minsan grabe magtampo. Huwag ka nang mag-worry, solusyon namin ay easy. Get your hair done in minutes. Feel fantastic, just Hairfix. Get your hair done in minutes. No tricks, just Hairfix. Get your hair done, get your hair done. Get your hair done, get your hair done. Kahit na anong klaseng hair, serve na tender love.
That's how you make an easy DIY sleek bun hairstyle with the help of Hairfix Keratin Stronghold Hairspray and Hairfix Keratin and Zinc Advanced Serum Hair Mist. Don't forget to follow and tag Hairfix at Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for you ready to wear your crowning glory. You can also enjoy up to 50% discount on your favorite Hairfix products. So what are you waiting for? Grab yours now!